my friends and teachers at school a lot, Dad. During this lockdown period, students cannot attend school, but everyone needs education.
Greetings from Sam family. We hope all of you are safe. It's very important to stay home and stay safe. I really miss seeing the kids, but we really understand that social distancing is the most important thing as of now. We at San Academy believe that there is no end to learning. We have introduced a lot of activities online.
Hello everyone, it's Ritesh here. My son Vedans Pandey is studying in San Academy. I recently moved him from another prestigious school to San Academy, and the way San Academy is responding to this tough situation, I'm very much impressed with them. They have started the online classes. The teachers are pretty good, their teaching methods are good, and they are ensuring that children are getting proper education in this tough situation.
Big blue sea, in the big blue sea, what can live under the big blue sea? So what lives under the big blue sea? Fish, jellyfish, starfish, octopus. Octopus lives under the sea, right? Lobster, dolphin, shark, and whale. Yes. So now let's go for our next activity. Yes. So for the next activity, you know what we are going to learn? We are going to learn here. We are going to have a puppet show. Yes, we are going to have a puppet show today. So that is the story of two little pods. What is this? B. Yes, it is letter B. Yes. What is this?
நீ நல்லா ஆன்சர் பண்ணன்னு சிரிக்கிறாங்க.
What is this?
What is that?
What is this fruit?
Mango. Yellow color.
Yes, it's yellow color. Very good, Janavi. Awesome. You're doing very good. See, you know every color. You know all the colors, right? Yes. What shape is this, Janavi? What shape? In a shape. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. See? Yes, it's a triangle. Yes, very good triangle. Very good. It's a triangle. Very good, Janavi. Awesome. So now ma'am is going to show you something. What is this? Eyes. Yes, it's eyes. So how many eyes you have? Count how many eyes you have. How many? How many? How many? How many? 2 eyes. Very good, Janavi. Awesome. You're doing good work. You have 2 eyes, right? Yes. So what shape is the moon? Moon. What shape? What shape? Moon. What shape? What shape?
What shape?
Shape. What shape is this?
Chakku.
Very good, Janavi. Only one question and then you can leave, okay? Yes. So what sound does D make? D. What sound does D make? D. What sound? What sound? Very good. Very good, Janavi. Awesome, Janavi.
Teachers are really doing the great job actually, and they are really rocking. After going through the online session only, we could recognize what backstage work they are doing for the next day class. After the generation, what I have learned was entirely different, and what my kid was learning was different, and it was quick learning actually. The phonic song, everything was up to the level. We feel really satisfied actually. Everyone were surprised whether there is a online class for the nursery, and it is must actually. And I really thank the management of San Group for arranging the online class for nursery sessions. And teacher is very interactive. She used to call every kid name and ask the question. And once my kid name is coming, she feel very joyful and happy. And during the session, I could see every kid is really happy and they are enthusiastic. And it is very difficult to uh, make the kids who sit in a place idle. And these guys are doing the great job actually, because I know actually making this one kid in a place is very difficult. She's making all the kid to listen. It's very joyful, and she's very happy. And we too feel very satisfied after going through the online classes. And appreciation after completing the homework, or after answering the questions, makes her very encouraging actually. And the puppet show, the storytelling through the puppet show is really amazing. It makes her quick learning. And art and craft activity using the craft work is will help her to make her the story, recognize the story actually. And this 45 minutes online class is very effective, and it's up to the level for nursery students.
Teach me to work, teach me to play. Teach me, oh God, how to love and obey. Teach me to read. Teach me to write. Teach me, oh God, how to be kind and polite. What is the weather? What is the weather today? Is it rainy outside, children? No, no. Or the climate is cloudy outside? No, no. Or the climate is windy outside? No, but the climate of today is sunny. Sunny is the weather. Sunny is the weather. Sunny is the weather today. Yes, and now Aradhya will sing us the days of the week song. Aradhya, can you sing us the days of the week song?
There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Very good, Aradhya. Very good. And today, the day is Friday. What day is today? Friday. Repeat again. Friday. Very good. And how many months are there in a year, children?
There are 7 months.
There are 12 months in a year. Okay. All right. So now Nirdeshana will sing us the month song.
May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
Which makes the whole year. Very good, Nirdeshana. And this month, we are in the month called October. Which month we are in? October. Okay. So what is this month theme? What have we learned so far in this month? Merai Mania. Very good. Okay. Super, Rowan. So what have we learned in Merai Mania? What we learned in Merai Mania month? We learned about sea animals. Very good. And okay, I'll tell you what are the things we learned. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, children. Very good. Okay. We learned about sea animals. We learned about sea birds. We learned about sea plants. And we learned about the sources of water, how to save water. Isn't it? Okay. So I'll ask you a few questions. Okay. All right. So what is a natural source of water? From where we get water? From rain. Super. Very good. Okay. Does water have any color?
No.
No. Does water has any shape? Water has no. Okay. Thank you. Does water has any smell? No. Super. Very good. Very good. Very good, children. Very good. Okay. So what are the sources of water? The one is rain. And what are the other things? Can you tell me?
Butterfly.
Waterfalls, lake, pond. Very good. Super. Okay. All right. So when you take bath, okay, thank you, children. You can go on mute now. So when you take bath, will you take bath with a shower or with a bucket of water?
Answer.
With a bucket of water. We should not waste the water at all. Okay. Okay. When there is a leakage in the tap, what will you do? Yeah. You will call the plumber uncle to repair the leakage of tap. Super. Very good. Okay. So when you go to beach, will you throw the plastic over there and come back home?
No.
No. Why? Why? What will happen? Water will become dirty. Okay. And what happens to the sea animals?
And the fish.
Yeah, yes, Rowan, yes. So if the sea animals eat all the plastic covers, then what happened? They cannot go to doctor, isn't it? And then they'll get stomach pain and they die. Okay, so we should not throw the plastic covers in the beach and come home. Not even anywhere. Okay. All right. Now we will move on to the sight words. So what sight word is this, children? Anish? Thank you. Okay, I'll ask one at a time. Okay. Thank you. So Rowan, can you tell me the sentence for thank you?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Rayan. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Super. One at a time. When I call out the name, only you should answer. All right. Okay. So Anish, what sight word is this?
Good.
Okay. Sanjana parent, could you please go on mute? This is good. Anish, yes. So, Anish, can you tell me the sentence for good? Yes, can you tell? I'm sorry? Okay. Okay, good day, Jenny ma'am. Super, very good. All right. So, Rutvika, what sight word is this?
There.
There, very good. Can you tell me a sentence for there?
Once upon a time, there was a king.
Very good. Once upon a time, there was a king. Very good. Super. Okay. So, Arshan, what sight word is this?
And a man.
அது என்ன பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க.
What sight word is this? This is? Please. Very good. And can you tell me your sentence for please?
Please sentence.
Like good.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Very good, Ashwin. Very good. Okay. So let me ask Nirdanshana. Nirdanshana, what sight word is this? Very good. Sorry, I'm late today. Very good. That was so sweet, Nirdanshana.
Very good morning, one and all. We parent of Siddhant from Junior KG, San Academy Tambram branch. So we are really privileged to address a group of a bunch of audience here, and most importantly, would like to thank the San Academy management, and we would like to extend our gratitude and thanks on this very special occasion, on the very special occasion on the Teachers' Day. So it's all about like how interactive my kid during the online session with the teachers, and especially the bonding they have with respect to teachers. As a parent, what we feel. So I mean, like similar to other parents, they have expressed the views like during the academic start, how this is going to be effective enough, and I mean, like how teachers are going to respond. So all those things, like we as a parent, we are also really worried about how it is going to happen. But it's something like it happened magic across the people, not only with the other branches, and including the San Academy Tambram branch. We had this wonderful opportunity where kids can attend their online classes and to respond to the new way of online classes, and be on track with their teachers. And also like creating a bondage between the students. Like they initially started very slow, understanding each and every student's wavelength, how they are responding to the online classes, and also like we usually get the regular feedback with the teachers, how people are attending. So all this, with all these things, they just slowly train. And the faster and the pacer, we just wanted to have it like they made it enthusiastic, looking at all the teachers, especially on the digital devices like laptop or the mobile phones. So also doing the activities along with the teachers is like waiting to the turn to show up and express their views, and getting the appreciations from the teacher. So these kind of discipline, we thought like, okay, it ideally came from the teachers. So thanks for all those efforts in the regular day-to-day meeting, and keep up the good work which you are continuing to do.
Thanks for all your support, teachers.
Shall we do the cheer claps? Yes, all of you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cheers!
A very good morning to one and all present. I'm Satya Priya, mom of Pratiksha, studying at Senior KG at San Academy, Tambram. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to express my gratitude for the teachers. Actually, I feel very honored to be a part of this event. To talk about online sessions, it's my pleasure to talk about the teachers. They were very humble, and they guide the students in the right way, not only developing their knowledge but also developing their creativity skills in online classes. I'm very much satisfied with the way they teach and the way they converse with the children. They get mingle with the children easily. Actually, my kid will feel happy when she saw a teacher in the screen every day with the same enthusiasm. She used to say, "Hey, my ma'am, good morning, ma'am, happy day, ma'am." And the way they converse back with the kids is amazing. The level of teaching is class apart at San Academy. I'm really feel very blessed that my daughter got admitted there in this school, because she gets a knowledge, she gets a core knowledge, not only simply writing, reading, that she develops her skills. Actually, I'm happy to see her progress during this online session. That was very much proud as a parent. I feel very proud of her. All the credits goes to the teachers of the San Academy. They behave with good manners, not only with the kids, they behave with good manners even with the parents. Whatever queries we ask or whatever we request them to inform to the admin, they answer it very neatly, in a neat manner. Actually, a teacher builds the child with hope, confidence, and belief. This goes apt for the San Academy teachers. Actually, the way they teach and the teacher-child activity, everything will be interesting. Actually, I used to sit and see, because of this interest they are developing in the child. I'm very happy to see her face daily. Not even a single day the teacher shows any discomfort in the face. During the online class, the energy levels at the beginning of the class will be same at the end of the class. And that makes me really feel nice, and really feel blessed that my kid having this wonderful teachers. Actually, a special thanks to Archana ma'am. Without her guidance, support, and the platform she gave for the teachers is a amazing work. Thank you, Archana ma'am. Thank you, teachers. You all doing a very great job.
The online classes taught by San Academy is really excellent and up to the mark. I really appreciate the efforts taken by the school management, staff, and non-staff members, including teachers. Are really excellent.
Good morning, it's me Divya Bharati mother. My name is Tenli. Actually, first I would want to say thanks for the online classes, because when I heard that Corona was spreading in all over India, that time I got more tension regarding my daughter's education, because my daughter is a slow learner. If she didn't go to school or some more gap between the education for her, sure it is the biggest headache for me and teachers also. And I felt lot about her education. That time only I heard online classes will be going to happen. That time I was happy, but I got some more doubt, because how that online classes will be going give to educate to my child, and how she will understand that topic and everything. I got more doubt, but somehow something is new, so we have to be welcome, and I also be happy with her. And every time when she started to attend the online class, that time I also sit near with her, and I observe that classes also. Seriously, it's a fantastic one, and the teachers have also explained to her in a very enthusiastic manner, and she understood the topic very well. That is a very important. I felt very happy because of online class.
I would like to thank all the subject teachers for the extraordinary efforts in conducting the classes on time. They keep classes more interactive for the students.
These online class helps the teachers to educate students from their house.
This is Kishore Reddy. He is my son Nitin Reddy, doing grade 2 in Stan Academy, Tamil. First of all, I would like to thank Stan Academy for initiating the online classes well in advance and making the students engaged. Nowadays, most of the schools started online classes, but while comparing, I can definitely say Stan Academy's management was very well planned and organized in the online classes. Apart from online classes, they are also providing the video sessions which will cover all the topics what they are teaching in online classes. This would be very helpful for the students who are not able to join the online classes due to technical issues or personal reasons.
My school has closed because to keep everyone safe, but we have online classes where our teachers help us with our lessons.
Online classes are very helpful for students to learn from home. It is very useful for both teachers and students to communicate each other.
On top of this, they are also providing the CCA links related to karate, silambam, dance, art and craft, PT and guest lectures.
I really enjoyed the CCA activities, which was so helpful to keep myself better. We also have karate, chess, aerobics videos uploaded by our teachers for us to practice at home and be healthy. I do the activities and schoolwork at home.
My kid likes the CCA activities very much and he eagerly waits for the CCA activities daily. And I would like to appreciate all the Stan Academy teachers for making these online classes very interesting, and this shows their hard work and dedication towards the online classes. They are making these online classes the way they are teaching online classes using PPT presentations, video bites, and using blackboards and interacting all the students was very impressive.
I want to thank all my teachers who are so kind and teach me everything and clear my doubts.
Thank you Stan Academy Tambaram for having online sections in this period. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
Then I am so happy to get this online class. Ma'am, please continue the online class. Then I didn't miss my school also, ma'am. Now I'm so happy to get this online class.
Once again, I would like to thank Stan Academy management, teachers, coordinators and principal for the fabulous job doing in this situation. Thank you very much.
So I wish all the very best to Stan Academy and I request everybody to stay safe, stay home and come out of this situation much stronger than ever. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Stan Academy, Tambaram.
Hello ma'am, this is Mrs. Virginia, mother of Sean Ruel Xavier of grade 2 C-section. I would like to really appreciate the efforts taken by the teachers and management of Stan Academy Tambaram in creating online classes for the students during this pandemic. Kudos to all the teachers who are spending so much time on making these wonderful videos and sparing time along with their household chores in this tough time of COVID-19. It's highly appreciated, and a big thank you to all the teachers and the management. I should say that the teachers have overcome the challenges in teaching online in a wonderful way. The dedication and hard work was clearly seen through the videos and during the classes. Thank you so much. Happy to be in Stan family. Thank you.
Thank you teachers
you, teachers. I like to say thank you. I wish to say thank you. I love to say thank you to all my dear teachers. I love you so much. I love your teaching. I'm proud to be in Sun family.
Dear students, we might be separated by distance, but I'm sure we will always stay connected by technology. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.